10 Diabetes Home Remedies, Natural Remedies for Diabetes Control. Home Remedies for Diabetes Control. Early stage diabetes can be controlled with fenugreek leaves. Take 2 tablespoons of these leaves, must be taken regularly in the morning for 4 months. Methi or fenugreek leaves included in food is helpful to control diabetic fatigue. Take 2 tender leaves of neem on an empty stomach in the morning. This helps reduce blood sugar levels. Tulsi leaves also can be added to this. 1 tablespoon of powdered jamun seeds mixed with bitter gourd juice taken twice a day helps to control diabetes. A spoon of gooseberry juice also can be added to this. Juice of curry leaves on empty stomach in the morning also helps reduce the blood sugar levels. 1 teaspoon of fig fruit powder daily helps to control diabetes symptoms. Bitter gourd juice 30 to 40 ml per day can help treating mild diabetes. It improves the body's defense mechanism with regular use in food. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder mixed in a cup of water. It relieves itching in diabetes. Methi or fenugreek seeds with garlic forms an effective medicine in reducing blood sugar, nutrients, and constipation in diabetes. Coriander seed decoction reduces abdominal pain in diabetics. Coriander combined with other home remedies helps in reducing diabetic complications. Amla is a versatile potent fruit that helps rejuvenating and toning up of body's resistance to diseases. A very good combination for diabetes is raw amla fruit juice and turmeric powder. Amla juice can be taken with bitter gourd juice also. By following all those home remedies, you can reduce your high blood sugar levels. This simple drink can cure diabetes in just 5 days. Diabetes is a lifetime disease that requires dieting, exercises, and medication. While there is no cure for diabetes, you can control the sugar levels naturally. Try these remedies and effectively control your blood sugar levels. Make sure you are trying home remedies in addition to your regular diabetes treatment. Diabetes causes, types, and symptoms. If there is nothing to worry too much about. There are many ways to control diabetes naturally. This way is simply incredible numerous ingredients: bananas, apples, and kiwis. Finally, a handful of basil seeds. Method of preparation. Bananas. An average sized banana contains around 27 to 30 grams of carbohydrates. More than half of these carbohydrates are made up of sugars. The larger banana, the higher the sugar content is. That said, bananas also contain important nutrients such as vitamin B6, vitamin C, manganese, and potassium. Apples. They also contain a good amount of fiber, which is an important part of a healthy diet. 1 small 6-ounce apple contains the following: 80 calories, 21 grams of carbohydrates, 4 grams of fiber, 0 grams of protein, 0 grams of fat, 2 milligrams of sodium, 164 milligrams of potassium. In addition, apples contain vitamin C and a number of phytonutrients including quercetin, camphophyrol, myricetin, and chlorogenic acid. Anthocyanins are what gives apples their red color. Don't worry if the names are unfamiliar. What's important to know is that these natural substances provide a number of health benefits. Kiwis. Fruits like the kiwi fruit contain simple sugars known as fructose. Fructose is similar to refined sugar as it can be digested by the body easily. It enters our bloodstream quickly, but unlike refined sugars found in chocolate and sodas, fructose is slow releasing, and for diabetics this is very important. Slow releasing means your body cannot use fructose in its original form. It has to be converted into glucose. This conversion process slows down the release of these sugars into your cells and body's metabolism. In this way, your blood sugar levels do not spike up down as they would by eating foods containing refined sugars. Another kiwi fruit benefit for diabetes is the carbohydrate called inositol, which is well known to help regulate insulin levels. Basil seeds. Holy basil may also help to lower fasting and post-meal blood glucose levels. Holy basil was found to reduce fasting blood glucose levels by approximately 17.6% and post-meal blood glucose levels by 7.3%. More research needs to be done to confirm whether or not holy basil can effectively lower blood glucose levels. Soak some basil seeds in water before 30 minutes. Put all the ingredients in a bowl and pour half a liter of water over them. Use. Drink half a liter of this delicious juice in the morning and consume the rest throughout the entire day. By taking this juice regularly, you can reduce your high blood sugar levels. Is cabbage good for diabetes? Cabbage is in the same family of vegetables as lettuce. False. Although they look like similar, cabbage is actually a part of the cruciferous vegetable family, lettuce part of the daisy family. Cabbage has been cultivated for more than 4,000 years. It has been grown for food for over 2,500 years. Cabbage comes in various colors, the most common being green, red, and purple. Cabbage leaves can be smooth or crinkled. A cup of cooked cabbage contains only 35 calories. Cabbage contains high amounts of vitamin C and K, magnesium, folate, as well as antioxidants, choline, beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, as well as the various flavonoids. Cabbage has a G110 and GL of 1, so it will not affect your blood sugar. A 2007 study at UAE University came to an existing conclusion concerning cabbage. Diabetes was induced in 60 rats. For a 2-month period, the rats were studied and showed all the symptoms of one with type 2 diabetes. Cabbage extract was then added to the diets of the rats for 60 days. The cabbage reversed the adverse effects of diabetes at the end of the trial period. The extract lowered blood glucose levels and restored renal function and body weight loss in the experiment. The study concluded that the antioxidant and anti-hyperglycemic properties of cabbage extract may offer a potential therapeutic source of the treatment of diabetes. So, is cabbage good for diabetes? Yes, it most certainly is. Cabbage is low in calories and carbs, high in fiber, low G1 and GL. Plus, it actually has the potential to help lower blood sugar levels and aid in weight loss. Now, let us prepare cabbage juice. For this, we need cabbage, little salt and lemon juice. Take some cabbage, cut into pieces. Take a blender jar, put these pieces into it. Add some water and blend well. Now, filter this juice into a serving glass. Add little bit of salt and some lemon juice. If want, some pepper powder can be added and mix well. Tasty, healthy cabbage juice is ready to drink. By drinking this juice daily, you can reduce your high blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.